Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Dear Pyramid Masters, this is Divya Nadimpalli from Dallas, Texas. As we are working towards Patriji's vision of Dhyana Jagat, let's spread out our wings a little bit more. We have one more wonderful opportunity to introduce meditation to our family and friends. We have a wonderful program coming up with the title Becoming a Master on Feb 22nd in Dallas, Texas. I will invite you all to bring in all your friends and families and take advantage of this event to introduce meditation and experience the 18 guiding principles of Patriji and PSSM. Let's all come together in Dallas on Feb 22nd. Kindly register for becoming a master on Feb 22nd in Dallas, Texas.